Hi there, students. To catch somebody out, to trap somebody in an error, to get somebody to make a mistake. Very often the mistake reveals that they are lying, or they don't know something, or they can't do something. So, for example, sometimes in class I ask trick questions. For example, what's the difference between to make toast and to make a toast? I wonder if I've caught you out there. I've trapped you, showing that you don't know the difference. A toast countable is when you propose a drink at a wedding or something like that. Whereas toast that you eat for breakfast is uncountable. So make toast for breakfast, make a toast at a wedding. We also use catch out to mean to put somebody in an unpleasant or a difficult situation that they are not prepared for. So I was caught out by the weather. It started raining and I didn't have an umbrella. The weather caught me out. Okay? So I didn't think it was going to rain, but it did, and that's why I didn't take an umbrella with me. Okay, so you can be caught out by a situation that you're not prepared for. Or somebody can catch you out, show that you're lying, show that you don't know something, or show that you are unable to do something. He said he was a great driver, so I offered him the car keys and said, you drive. But I caught him out because I'm pretty sure he doesn't know how to drive. Yeah, so he took the keys and started driving, and he was a terrible driver. I caught him out. By giving him the keys, I revealed that he was really not good at it at all. Okay, so to catch somebody out, to trick them into making a mistake. So maybe when you're playing sports, you could catch your opponent out. You could pretend you're going to the right, make a feint to the right, and then go left. And the other player goes to your right, and he misses you completely. So you catch the other player out. Okay, so to catch somebody out. Notice the meaning of being in an unpleasant or difficult situation is normally passive. I was caught out by the weather. I was caught out by a speed camera in the car. Okay. So, next question, formality. Catch someone out. I think this is informal. It's certainly good for an informal conversation. I think more formally, to trap someone into making an error, to find a way to show that they are ignorant or lying. So, for example, the press are always trying to catch politicians out, catch them saying something that's not true. So, catch out, informal. And remember, please, catch is an irregular verb. Catch, caught, caught. I caught him out. Also, notice there, caught him out. It's separable. So the direct object, particularly a pronoun, should go between the catch and the out. So there you go, to catch somebody out. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.